Finding the best child custody lawyer can be difficult if you don't know what you need. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 questions to ask when choosing the best child custody lawyer for your case. The first question you need to ask is, what is your experience and background in family law? When you start looking for the best child custody lawyer, the first thing to ask about is their experience. This area of law is very specific, and it's important that the lawyer you choose not only specializes in family law, but also has a strong track record with cases like yours. Experience matters because it often means the lawyer has dealt with a variety of situations. They've seen what works and what doesn't. They know how different judges operate and understand the best way to present your case. This knowledge can make a big difference in the outcome of your child custody hearing. It's not just about how many years they've been practicing, but also the types of cases they've worked on. You want someone who has successfully handled cases with circumstances similar to yours. It's also essential to find someone whose strategy aligns with what you feel is best for your child. The initial evaluation of your case by the lawyer can tell you a lot. It involves looking at your situation, understanding the relationship between you and the other parent, and deciding on the best course of action. A good lawyer will explain this process clearly, and they'll set realistic expectations as well. A lawyer who's good at negotiating can often find a solution that satisfies both parties, avoiding the stress and costs of going to court. But if your case is more complex, or if the other parent is uncooperative, you might need a lawyer who is prepared to fight for your own involvement in the case is another factor to consider. Some lawyers prefer to handle everything themselves, while others encourage their clients to be more hands-on. Make sure your lawyer's expectations match how involved you want to be. Next, you want to find out whether your lawyer can provide references from past clients. When a lawyer provides references, it shows they're confident in the service they provided to previous clients. It also demonstrates transparency. But remember that confidentiality and privacy are key in legal matters. A lawyer might not be able to give you contact information for all their clients due to confidentiality agreements. In these cases, don't see it as a red flag. Instead, listen to what the other references have to say about their experiences. It's not just about whether the lawyer won or lost the case. Ask about how the lawyer supported them, communicated with them, and whether they would hire the lawyer again if needed. This can tell you a lot about what to expect. Next, look at their fee structure. Lawyers may charge in different ways. Some work on an hourly rate, while others might ask for a retainer, which is a lump sum paid up front from which they deduct their fees as they work on your case. There could also be additional costs like court fees, charges for copying documents, or payments for expert witnesses. Ask the lawyer to explain their billing practices. How often will you be billed? Can they give you an estimate of the total cost based on their experience with similar cases? It's okay to ask for this information. A good lawyer will be upfront and honest about their fees and how they're calculated. Communication is also key. Some lawyers prefer emails for updates and questions, as it provides a written record of all communications. Others might choose phone calls for more immediate and detailed discussions. There are also lawyers who are open to in-person meetings, though these might be less frequent due to time constraints. Ask the lawyer about their policy on responding to client communications. How quickly do they typically respond to emails or return phone calls? Knowing this can help set your expectations and reduce any anxiety about being left in the dark. Also, discuss how often you will receive updates about your case. Some cases may have periods where not much is happening, but it's still nice to get a check-in from your lawyer. This keeps you informed and reassured that your case is on track. You'll want to choose a lawyer whose communication style and availability align with your needs. You should feel comfortable reaching out to them and confident that you'll be kept in the loop. Choosing the best child custody lawyer is a pivotal decision that can shape your family's future. By asking these questions, you can identify a lawyer who meets your legal needs and supports you through challenging times. Get in touch with Heartland Law Offices today to find out how we can help with your case.